Hello guys, welcome to summerautoparts. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce the AC condition for the Range Rover, and the one on my left is one for Range Rover Vogue, and the one on my right hand, this is for the Range Rover Sport. And these two AC skin both for upgrade the car from the older to new. We can know the car from the older Range Rover Sport and Range Rover Vogue, there's not a touch screen, and these ones to upgrade the car from the high profile ones. So we can find that this is a hot selling Range Rover Vogue, which with CD design, and the back side with the plug just connects the wires from the original cars, and there's no coding and programming. And we can find for the Vogue ones, there comes some bracket on the back side, so don't be missing this bracket when you install the cars. And on my right hand for the Range Rover Sport ones, we can find it's much bigger, and the back side with the bracket already installed on the back side, and the same the USB connection and the plug connection. That's very easy to change. And this is for the AC condition controller. That's a remote. You can change the AC and the window. And this is a CD part one, so you can use this for the car. The car here with the picture is one after installation that looks very nice. So if you have any interest on this Range Rover Sport and Range Rover Vogue interior upgrading, just connect some auto parts for more information. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you next video. Bye bye.